our Sensitive set of motion sensor lights from ASOKO. I definitely love these lights. Let's take a look at them together and see how they work. Definitely recommend these lights. The 2-pack, the specific one here, it does have a 5-year warranty. There's a card here, so save the card. No, charging, this does charge super fast. Within 2.5 to 3 hours. It will turn green when it's fully charged, so you get full feedback. That I like. Batteries last quite a bit. I did a couple tests with this, and it lasts all night. I have to tell you, I just put it on like a medium mode, and it ran all night. So that was really good. So they had some good light out of this. A quick look at these. So there's 2 in this pack here, and 2-pack, and also 2 charging cords. You can charge them at the same time. So let's take a look at the light itself. Here is a small. It's made out of plastic. Here's the back here. You can see it's got 2 magnetic tabs, and they do give you little self-adhesive metal plates, so you can stick these pretty much anywhere. And these magnets are pretty strong. That way you can take it down and then charge it. And you can see here it has multiple color temperatures, which is important, okay? So that way you don't have to, if you were like they have 5 different color temperatures, and you just, to activate those temperatures, you just tap the little finger here and you can see them moving around. You get that warm white, and you can adjust them just like that. So that's easy. To make them brighter and dimmer, you hold your finger down on them. You can see, and these are really bright, I have to say, guys. This is actually a nice build. I love this. It's not too big, small enough for closets, and gives a ton of light. And then it's different colors. Again, you can see the different color changing, right? And if you want it darker, hold your finger on it again, and brings it all the way down to dim. So that's all the way down dim, as you can see that. So I'm going to shut my light off. I'm just going to show you. Now, this is just using the light itself. As you can see here, this is on the lowest. And this isn't terrible. I have to say, this is awesome. And then we'll just crank it up. And that's all the way up. And that's a lot of light. You can do video. You set these 2 up, you can have 2 portable lights to do any kind of video production, honestly. You get some good light. Really works well. I love the temperature control. Again, here's the warm, right? So now you can really see it, right? Here's the next temperature here. And the next, so you can see this getting a little bit cooler. And that's white. That's 5,000 Kelvin. That's the bright white. That's so you know. But some people, I like things warm, so I would do like 50-50. That's 50-50. I like that. It gives you a little natural tone to it. Just going to set it right here, and we're going to let it shut off. You can see it did shut off. I'm going to actually walk towards it. It shut off on its own. I'm walking towards the sensor, and there it goes. It picked me right up as I walked right through it. So you can see here, it's very super sensitive. That's awesome. I love this item. Okay, guys, so the best way to install these, this is my idea, is that you put these magnets on here, and you already know where you're going to place it already. You just pop them on, and or pull it, then you just pull up these sticky tabs here, and that is that easy. And I'm going to place it right in my closet. That way you don't have to measure. It's already set to go. Once you put it in place, it's going to stick exactly where you put it. And I'm just going to pop it right here, and that way I have access to it right there. Just like that. I'm just going to press lightly, and I'm going to open my closet door just like you see here, and bam, they go right on. I love these lights. Definitely highly recommend these. If you're looking for a quick solution and no hassle installation, definitely the way to go. Definitely love these lights.